So I'm gonna try taking apart this router right here and seeing what happens. First I gotta find the right screw that looks like a hex bolt. Find that wherever that could be. Anyway guys, make sure you're subscribing to the channel so you never miss another video. And we found the right bit, so now we're just gonna do this and start unscrewing things. Okay, so now that those screws are done, I think we should be good, and we should be able to get into this thing. They make these things impossible to get into. Oh, there's probably like secret ones. So now that we got this done, we're just gonna pop open the front cover. Jeez. Okay, now as you can see, this is the inside of the router. So this is kind of what it looks like. Pretty cool. I'm gonna keep unscrewing it just so we can see everything to the bare bones. So now we got this part off, and now we just gotta worry about getting this board off without snapping it. Just pry it like this. And here we go. Here's the actual router itself. So everything else, all of this is just a casing. So here we're at the motherboard, and it's basically a fully functioning computer. I mean, it has a CPU, it just doesn't have the GPU. Maybe I should try putting one on here, I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments, though.